is born to destroy negative. Her one and only purpose is to protect. Anybody who is, or any energy, or any kind of an wicked spirits, or any kind of black magic, or any kind of negative diseases, negative energies trying to affect you, Kali Aradhana helps you remove that or destroy that immediately. Whenever you are not able to move out of your own issues, you are not able to move out of your own circle of up and downs, you need a change in life, you need to move ahead of the circle, then Kali Maa has to be worshipped, or sadhana on her has to be done, because she is standing with one feet on Devonka Dev Mahadev, who is the god of time.